the all-new 2024 model BMW M4 competition as a cabriolet. It's one of the coolest colors for the M4 competition. 3, 2, 1, boom. So that's how you can open and actually close the roof. Hello guys and welcome back. Today with another video. We will be driving and experiencing the all-new 2024 model BMW M4 competition as a cabriolet, and today we will be doing an Autobahn run. But while we are being stationary and standing here, we will be also quickly listening to the sound, and I will be just jumping outside to tell you more about the car in general. So this is the facelifted version, so the LCI M4 competition, coming in Eyle of Man Green. You can already see that here by the specification on the display. This is the exact same spec that we have on the car in general, and I love this small little detail that you have a projection, a design and an animation of your exact car here also on the screen. As soon as I even move the steering wheel, you can see the movement here on the car. The display, we have a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder BMW M engine, which has been improved. We have more power, now talking about 530 horsepower. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 3.7 seconds. With the coupe version, you are even a bit faster. As we have the cabriolet here, we do 3.7, and with the coupe, we are talking about 3.5 seconds. So now let me just jump outside, quickly give you a tour around the car. So here we have it. The car itself is finished in Eyle of Man Green. It's one of the coolest colors for the M4 competition in general. The competition always comes with these competition specific wheels finished in black, matching the entire exterior. The new front with the updated headlights look really nice. I love the way the car just standing there is super special. It's very dominant, extremely sporty while driving, yet super fun. We have the side mirror caps finished in carbon fiber M4 competition side badge here. As I mentioned, wheels are, if I'm not mistaken, 20-inch, multi-spoke, and we have the carbon ceramic brakes hiding right behind it. Something that I have to show you from the back is the car comes with the M4 CSL tail lights here. That's something I love. Also the exhaust here, the car is already on. We have the rear diffuser finished in carbon fiber. You can see that. How do you actually like the updated tail lights here? M4 CSL customers will not be happy, but I think for a regular M4, especially in the night, they look perfect. Now let's just jump inside and let me give you some closer look in the interior and the sound. Let me just double press the M2 button, which automatically activates the exhaust. The setup is sporty, and now I have the door open. So 3, 2, 1. Wait, let me just do this. Open the roof for the perfect sound experience. There you go. 3, 2, 1, boom. So that's how you can open and actually close the roof. It takes, I think, around 15 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Pretty quick. Now I can even close the door, and with this button you can also lift all the windows up or all the windows down as you wish. Let me give you a sound check here while being stationary. 3, 2, 1. Listen to this. So the coolest thing by far is that we don't have a rev limiter here. Look, it moves all the way up to 7,000 RPM. No, actually 6,000 RPM. But in lower revs you have some nice bubbles. It's nice. How do you guys like the sound while driving? It sounds somehow a bit better. Anyways, we'll be just closing the roof now. You can just appreciate the movement of the roof here, the soft top. I think the M4 back in the days you could get it with a hard top, but now it's soft top only. There you go. And now all the windows can also move up. It's extremely hot. We will be making our way directly onto the German Autobahn, where we will be driving it. Let me just put the seatbelts on. Even the seatbelts are super cool here with the M specific colors here. Here we go. So now we will be starting the drive. As I mentioned, the engine is already on. We are actually in M2 mode right now. We have the shifter here. I love this. A lot of carbon fiber details. Just moving it to the right, and then you have the car set into drive. The car is manual now. You can just use the shift pedals, which are also finished in carbon fiber. The steering wheel in general looks absolutely perfect. I'm a huge fan of the way they did it. Making our way towards the German Autobahn. I somehow have to say, before we drive, the steering wheel looks absolutely fantastic. Flat bottom for the first time. Normally the steering wheel was always round. 12 o'clock mark, the stitching, the carbon fiber frame here, the airbag cover finished in leather. It's amazing. Even the shift pedals finished in carbon fiber. This is so cool. I am a huge fan of the entire finish, the materials that they have used here. Lovely. What do you guys think about it? All the changes. Here we go, driving towards the Autobahn now. Lovely. The car is so much fun, honestly. And even you can drive it in comfort. It's just so calm. See? It's so nice. A perfect daily ride. 6-cylinder. And the engine is just capable of doing so much, especially just daily driving it and even driving it on track. It's so cool. In comfort, you don't even have that much of sound. You can even see that it's charging the battery. As soon as you push it, you get all the power. It's not a hybrid, it's just the small battery. I think it's 48 volt battery if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, we're just starting the drive now here towards the unrestricted part of the Autobahn, and I will be just keeping in M2 mode. The DSC is actually deactivated. I will be just keeping it on unrestricted, flooring it. It's 210 easy. You feel so safe in this car, honestly. Even driving in this curvy Autobahn part is so safe. Breaking it down again. We have an XM here on the right hand side. A lot of boost, a lot of power that you have here. Yes, you have a lot of wind noises since we have a soft top here. You get that in higher speeds, but I don't actually mind. The sound of the engine is super powerful. I think it's less sound than the previous generation, but you have a lot of power. It's very emotional. It's extremely direct. So nice, honestly. Crazy. As I mentioned, you feel so safe driving this one here in higher speed. Yeah, the Autobahn is a bit crowded and I will not drive faster. We have the carbon ceramic brakes that make you feel even safer. But anyways, the drive is amazing, honestly. If you just think about the competition, the M3 and M4 main competitor was the C63, which has gone 4-cylinder now. Now this has got a bigger engine than the C63, so it's so much better, honestly. The C63's got so much more power, but this is even more cheaper. So and 4-cylinder, I'm not sure. With a 6-cylinder you can do so much. You even get a very nice sound here. even though it's less than the previous generation, yet it's so much fun. So that's why BMW is doing so good with these models, the M4 and M3. Back in the days, also the front, I hated it. I didn't like it. I really didn't like it, but now it just grew on me, and I find it quite sexy. It's very attractive. The inside, the finish here with the curved display. Back in the days, BMW used to always have the copy-paste, same interior style, but now with the changed steering wheel here, which looks perfect, the updated and curved display is totally fine. Just the infotainment is just so many options here to choose. It's just too much for the user interface, especially while driving. Just searching things is just too much. What do you guys think? Lovely. That's it for today's video, guys. How do you like the all new BMW M4 competition? The drive, the sound while driving, the sound while from the outside. Please share it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.